In this video, I will teach you how to sell cars with Facebook or Instagram ads. In case you are into car dealership or you are a digital marketer who wants to run Facebook or Instagram ads to sell cars for his clients, then you need to pay attention to this video. Look at this particular ad I ran for my clients. We spent 9,000 naira to sell a car of 9.2 million. Imagine that you are into car sales and you have a commission of possibly 200 to 500,000 naira on this car, and you spent like 9,000 naira as the case may be. Let me say worst case scenario, you spend 50,000 naira on ad for you to seal this car sales deal. That means when you deduct this 50,000 naira or 9,000 naira as the case may be from your commission, you will still be getting 150,000 or 450,000 naira as your profits. Now let me show you exactly how I did it so that you can run your car sales ad successfully and profitably. Ensure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important step. Open your Meta Ads Manager dashboard. Click on this create button. I prefer to use engagement objectives. So select engagement. Then you will see this continue button down below. Click on continue. Select manual engagement campaign. Then click on this continue button down below. At the campaign level, edit it. I usually use the name of the car that I am promoting. Let's assume I'm selling Lexus RX 330. Copy your campaign name because you will see use it in your ad set and in your ad. Scroll down. You don't need to set any other thing here. Come down here. You will see this next button. Click on next. Give your ad set a name. Paste that name that you copied from the campaign name. Then scroll down. At conversion location, you will see different conversion locations here. I prefer to use message destination as my conversion location when I'm promoting a product like this. For the Facebook page, select the Facebook page you want to run your ad on. There is a drop down button here. If you click on this edit button, you will see all the pages you have. Select the one you want to use for that ad. Then for message destination, I prefer to use WhatsApp, okay, because people are more responsive on WhatsApp. So I will uncheck Messenger here. In case you have not connected your Facebook page to your WhatsApp business number, there's already a step-by-step video on how to connect your Facebook page to your WhatsApp business number. The link will be at the description of the video. So watch that after watching this one. Scroll down. For your performance goal, select maximize number of conversations. Then scroll down. For cost per result goal, leave it empty. Scroll down to budget and schedule. For your budget here, you can use 5,000 naira per day. You can use 3,000 naira per day. You can use 10,000 naira depending on how much you have. For the purpose of this video, I will use 5,000 naira per day. Okay. This particular car, some of these cars cost 10 million, 15 million, 9 million, 7 million as the case may be. After inputting your budget here, scroll down and you will see schedule here. You can decide to leave it running and turn it off when you sell the vehicle. I like doing that a lot. Okay. But if you want to set specific days, then you can just set to the number of days with this end date button here. Then set the day and the time you want the advert to end. Scroll down and the next thing you need to set here is audience targeting. Please pay attention. This is where a lot of you miss it. And another thing that makes a lot of persons not to sell their cars is the ad creative they use. Pay attention to the types of audience that you target. Let me show you the exact audience I use in selling that particular Lexus car for my client. Now you will see that there is audience control here. There's advantage plus audience and there's also original audience. I used original audience in my own case. So you will see switch to original audience options here. Click on switch to original audience option. Then you will see use original audience. Click on use original audience. Before I continue, just like this video and drop a comment if you're learning something. Right here, you will see create new audience. Scroll down, then go to location. There's an edit button here. Click on this edit button to edit your locations. If you're targeting a different country, then select that country here and remove this editing one. For the purpose of this video, I'm targeting Lagos, Nigeria, because this car is a used car and the owner who wants to sell this car is living in Lagos, which means those who can possibly come quickly to inspect this car are those living in Lagos. So that's why I want to target only Lagos, Nigeria here. So I'll click on search locations here and I will target Lagos, Nigeria. Now pay attention. If you are selling luxurious cars or expensive cars, then you should target specific places in Lagos. Places like Lekki, Victoria Island, Ikeja, Ikoyi, Ajah, Surulere. Those places are places that the rich stay, okay? But this particular car is it's not that expensive. It's just around 10 million or thereabout. Okay, now I will select Lagos here because I will use a larger audience size. Then I will also target Ikeja here, right? These are the two major places I will select in this particular ad. I will scroll down here. For age, I like to use people between the age of 25 to 55 because these people are the people in the independent age. You can use your age depending on what works for you. Okay, but this is what I use and it worked very fine for me. For gender, money is not gender based. You can be a man, you can buy the vehicle, you can also be a woman. So I'll leave it at all gender here. Then the next thing here is advantage plus targeting. You can use open audience, you can also use detailed targeting. Okay, I used detailed targeting in my previous ad and it very well. So let me just show you exactly what I did. For the ad demographics, interest or behavior here, there are major keywords that I used, and one of those keywords is automobile. Let me show you automobiles, and this particular one did very good. When you type in that keyword here, you will see suggestions that will come out here. Automobiles, vehicles is under interest. Okay, so when you select automobile, these are people who are interested in automobile in this particular location, because most of these people who are buying this car, some of them are not buying to drive, they are buying to resell it. So these people join Facebook pages that are interested in automobile. So that's how you can target them. Okay, then after adding that, click on this search bar again and you type in another keyword, car dealership. This is another keyword that also helps me to target good or related audience to this particular car dealership. You see car dealership here, retailer, and is under interest. Select it. Okay, I hope you're learning something. Please like this video. That is going to help my video to be shown to more people. That's the best way you can help me to gain visibility on this video. Just click on the like button and drop a comment below. I will appreciate that a lot. Now let's continue. Another keyword you can use is used cars. Remember, this particular car I am selling is a used car. So I also want to target those who are searching for used cars in Lagos, those who want to buy used cars. Now you will see used car here, vehicle, and it's under interest. So these are people who are interested in used cars. This second one you see used cars here, salesperson. These are people who sell used cars. So you see the difference now. But I want those who are interested so that I will capture those ones. So I'll select interest, select based on interest. Click on this search bar again. We want to add another keyword. You can go with family car because the Lexus Jeep is actually a family vehicle. So those who are looking for vehicle to buy for their family, I want to target them. You see family car here, automobile, interest. This is what I will select. But if you are not selling a family car, then don't add that family car. Okay, then this is another keyword that I use, car.com. Now those who go to cars.com, it's another people who are interested in cars. So when you type cars.com here, you will see it right here under interest. Select cars.com. Then you have to include the car brand you are selling. If you are selling a Toyota, you have to include Toyota, or if you are selling Mercedes-Benz, include Mercedes-Benz. But because of this video, I am selling Lexus. So I'm going to type in Lexus right here in this search bar. When you type in Lexus, you will see the suggestions here. Lexus vehicles, interest. Select Lexus vehicles. Then come here, type that Lexus again and type that particular Lexus car model that you want to sell. Remember, I'm selling Lexus RX 330. So you see Lexus RX here. See the suggestion under interest. So I want to target those who are interested in the Lexus RX brand so that I can sell this particular vehicle because that's the exact vehicle I'm selling. So I will select it so that I can target those interested in that brand. These particular keywords are keywords I use for one ad set and it did well. Now there's another thing you need to take note of, and that is ad creative. Before we go to ad creative, you need to save your audience. Click on this save audience button here so that as this audience perform well, you can use it to sell another car. After that, come to placement. Let me show you a perfect placement you can use to sell your car fast. I've tested this and it worked a lot. Under advantage plus placement here, you will see this edit button right here. Click on this edit button and you will see manual placement. Select manual. Don't use automatic placement because most of those other placements will not perform for you. So uncheck audience network here. Also uncheck messenger. If you're using budget like 20,000 naira per day or 10,000 naira per day for that ad, you can leave it for Facebook and Instagram. But in this case, I'm using 5,000 naira. So I will uncheck Instagram and leave it only on Facebook. Okay. Now I'm done with placement. Let's go over to ad. There's a next button down here. Click on this next button and you are now at the ad level. Remember to edit your ad name. Paste that name you copied at campaign. Then scroll down again. Then you see ad setup. I will show you a sample of how you are expected to snap your car pictures. Those images have to be sharp. They have to be good quality images. Then you will add a description of that product. Let me show you an example on this my client's page. This is ad setup, create ad. Then you are going to see this drop down button here. Click on the drop down button. We want to use existing post, so click on use existing post. Now before you come over here, you must have posted that particular car you want to sell on your Facebook page, okay? Both the picture and the write-up that describe car feature. So under add creative here, click on select post and you will see all the cars you have posted on your Facebook business page. This particular vehicle is 𝗚 Mercedes. There are other vehicles here, but let me just choose the one I want to promote, Lexus RX 330. So here it is. I will select this post. When you click on the post to select it, come down here, you will see this continue button. Click on continue. You can see the post here under this add creative. If you scroll down, you see the primary text. Look at the description that was written as text. Quick deal, registered Lexus RX 330 2005, sharp body, interior, engine and gear, AC chills, new tires. You see the price was written here, 8.7 million, and the location Lagos was stipulated. Ensure you write the amount you're selling that vehicle on your ad. Now look at how those pictures appear. Let me show you the preview of the ad. Look at it. These pictures are sharp, so ensure that you snap good pictures of those cars that you want to sell. Look at it here. This is about how many pictures? 1, 2, 3, 4. This plus 8, that is 12 pictures here, and it is going to show any person that wants to buy a good view of that vehicle, both the outer part and the interior. So ensure you snap it well. Now if you scroll down, you will see this message template here. You can create your message template by clicking on this edit button. When you click on this edit button, you see this setup. You can say welcome to 𝗚 depending on the name of your business. Okay, then when you say welcome to 𝗚, then you ask which of our vehicles you want to buy today. Then after writing that right here, you will come to this particular save button here and save it. Okay, this is a preview of how this message is going to show up in your WhatsApp DM. Okay, so after that, you scroll down. For tracking, you don't need to do anything for tracking here, and you will see this publish button down below. Click on this publish button to publish your ad. Ensure that you have money in your ad account before publishing your ad, and when your ad is approved, you will get messages in your WhatsApp DM. Close your deals and go with your money. If you have any question, just comment below and I'll reply to your question. Don't forget to like this video and drop a comment below.